In this video, you will learn how to get unsuspended on Chime. Follow these simple steps. First, reach out to Chime's customer support and inquire about the reason for your ban. Contact them through the Chime mobile app via the help section. You can do this via the Chime website via the contact us page or calling their customer support at this number. Understand the reason. Chime typically provides an explanation if your account has been suspended or closed due to a violation in their terms of service. This can be such as a technical error or suspicious activity or even fraud. Prove requested information. If there is a dispute or issue with your account, Chime may ask for additional documentation to prove your identity, address or any potential security concerns. Be ready to provide any information or documentation they may request. Resolve any issues. If there is an issue with your account, such as mistaken ban or incorrect information, work with Chime to resolve it. This can include submitting further proof or addressing the underlying problem. Wait for the resolution. Once you've contacted support and worked through the necessary steps, Chime may lift the ban if everything is resolved. The time it takes to resolve your case can vary depending on your situation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.